ready to draw a bright and cheerful sunflower. These beautiful flowers are like little suns, spreading warmth and happiness wherever they grow. Let's bring one to life together. Sunflowers are known for growing really tall. Some can grow as high as a house. If you could grow your own sunflower, how tall would you want it to be? Sunflower has opened her eyes. Looking around is something she enjoys doing. Sunflowers symbolize happiness, warmth, and positivity. It makes people happy. Who would you give your sunflower drawing to? When they're young, sunflowers follow the sun across the sky. Do you know why they're called sunflowers? Can you think of another flower that reminds you of the sun? Sunflower seeds are tasty and healthy snacks for people and animals. Would you try sunflower seeds as a snack? What would you think they taste like? Awesome work! Our sunflower is looking bright and sunny already. Now, let's give it some beautiful colors. Pick up your markers or crayons and let's make it bloom. What's your favorite thing about sunflowers? Their bright colors or their big petals? A single sunflower head can hold up to 2,000 seeds. Bees love sunflowers because they are full of nectar. Do you think bees like sunflowers better than other flowers? While yellow is classic, there are also red, orange, and even white sunflowers. Have you ever seen a real sunflower? How did it make you feel? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. If you could plant a whole garden of flowers, what other flowers would you put with your sunflowers? Sunflowers love sunny, warm weather. They thrive best in bright light. Sunflowers are a global symbol of peace and sustainability. Our sunflower is complete, and it looks amazing. Be sure to show it and tell them all about the fun facts we learned today. Keep practicing and spread sunshine with your art. See you next time for another fun drawing adventure.